What are some of the risks of overhydration, and how do you balance dehydration versus overhydration?
So, as the name says, overhydration means taking too much excessive fluids. The important point about it is normally, if you take excessive fluid, if I'm a normal person who does not do much of physical activity, if I drink a lot of water, the kidneys, if they're functioning normally, they tend to dump all the excess fluid and water, right? But when you're in the middle of a strenuous activity, as we mentioned again earlier, that the kidneys take a back seat, they go into the conservation mode. So the kidneys, there's a hormone called ADH secreted, which is acting on the kidney to conserve water. So the kidney's ability to dump water is during the strenuous activity low. So if you go ahead and replace overhydrate yourself, what is it going to do? Increase the blood volume and it's drop your sodium. We call it hyponatremia, which itself has detrimental effect on the body. So the key point in hydration yourself is to drink to your thirst. Know how much fluid and electrolyte. If you are doing an activity in a colder temperature where you're not sweating, you don't need to hydrate yourself in the same way if you are doing an activity in a warmer outdoor setting. So you need to make sure you drink to your thirst, and not only drink just plain water, but drink electrolyte water with sodium and potassium in it, because just drinking water by itself would cause a decrease in your sodium level and cause hyponatremia.
Yeah, and usually the tendency is someone passes out after an exercise, you try to make them drink more water because you think they may be dehydrated. And I don't know if you have seen that Turkish drama Ertuğrul. It had like 400 episodes about 400 years ago, 500 years ago. And anyone who's sick, anyone who's bleeding, anyone who's dying, they would just feed them more water. And what happened to me was once my wife passed out at home because she was having an asthma attack, and I'd seen so much Ertuğrul. I started giving her more water, and she's like, "Give me the inhaler. I don't need more water."